Hi, this is George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California. And this video series is a review for my Math 21 Intro to Statistics class for their midterm. We are using the Sullivan-Woodbury Interactive Statistics textbook, and we are covering chapters 1 through 7 on this midterm review. In this video, we'll take a look at 3 Poisson probability distribution problems. On a typical day at UC Santa Barbara, there are 2.9 bike crashes per day. Find the probability that there will be 2 bike crashes on that campus today. This is a Poisson problem because we're given the typical, usual, average, mean result. On a typical day, there are 2.9 bike crashes. That is our value of lambda. So in this problem, lambda is 2.9 crashes per day. T is the time interval for the problem, and we're being asked to find the probability that there will be 2 bike crashes on campus today. That's 1 day. The mean is equal to lambda times t, and 2.9 times 1 is 2.9. And finally, we're looking for the probability that there will be 2 bike crashes that day. Exactly 2, x is equal to 2. Let's go to StatCrunch. For this example, we need the Poisson probability calculator, stat calculators Poisson. The mean for this problem was 2.9, and we were looking for x to be equal to 2. So change the sign to be equal to. The value is 2, press compute, and there's our probability. To 4 places, that's 0.2314. On an average day, there are 2 students absent from my Math 21 class. Find the probability that 3 or more students are absent from my Math 21 class today. So we're given a result for an average day. And on the average day, there are 2 students absent per day. The question asks us to find the probability that 3 or more students are absent today. So the time interval is 1 day. Multiplying lambda times t, the mean is 2 absences. And we're looking for the probability that 3 or more students are absent. Here that means that x is going to be greater than or equal to 3. Let's go to StatCrunch. In this example, we changed the mean to be 2, and we're looking for x to be greater than or equal to 3. Press compute. And to 4 decimal places, that's 0.3233. On average, the Fresno Grizzlies score 4.7 runs per game. Find the probability that the team scores exactly 11 runs in the next 2 games. This is a Poisson probability problem with lambda being 4.7 runs per game. But the question asks about the next 2 games, so t is 2 games, and that means that the mean will be 4.7 times 2, or 9.4 runs. That would be the average for a 2-game span. Now we're looking for the probability of exactly 11 runs. That means that x is going to be equal to 11. Let's go back to StatCrunch one more time. The mean was 4.7 times 2, or 9.4, and we're looking for the probability that x equals 11. Press compute, and there we have 0.3424 to 4 decimal places. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need to reach out to me, you can reach me through the contact page on my website, which is georgewoodbury.com. You can also get a copy of the midterm review off of my home page. Click on the link that says Materials for my Statistics Students. You can also reach out to me on Twitter @GeorgeWoodbury.